Hello beautiful people. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to use rice water and cloves to get healthy and long hair. So if that's something you're very interested in, let's get started. This hairspray is made with cloves and rice water and one other special ingredient, and this hairspray will help you maintain healthy and long hair texture. We're going to be using a clean pot to make our rice and clove water. To make our rice and clove water, of course we're going to be needing cloves. Cloves can help to stimulate hair growth. Cloves also help with conditioning the hair follicles, and it can also help with stimulating blood flow in the scalp. So right now we're going to add the cloves into our clean pot, and then we will move on to the next ingredient. The next ingredient we're going to be needing, of course, is rice. We're going to be using washed rice to make this. I've washed the rice clean. Rice is very rich for the hair. It can help to improve hair texture, hair regeneration. It can help with hair loss and so much more. Now we are going to add the washed rice into the pot. The pot we already added the cloves in. We're going to add the rice and move to our next ingredient. And next we're going to be needing clean water. This is what we're going to be using to extract all the goodness of the rice and the cloves. If you're enjoying this video so far, please make sure you like, you comment and subscribe. So now of course we're going to add the clean water into our pot as well. At the end of this video, I'm going to drop the accurate measurements of all the ingredients so you know what measurement to follow when making yours. So now we're going to give this a good mix before we bring it to boil. So now we're going to turn on the heat, and then we're going to leave this to boil so that we can get all the goodness of the rice and cloves out. So right now I'm going to cover it with the lid, and then we're going to leave it to boil for about 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, here is what we have. As you can see, everything is well boiled, and now we are going to take it off the heat and turn off the heat. Now we're going to leave this to cool before we sieve out the rice and the cloves from it. Now that everything is cool, I'm going to use my sieve and I'm going to sieve out the water and leave out the rice and the cloves. We need just the water. That is where all the nutrients is. Now after sieving it, here is what we have. Our rice and clove water is ready. You can choose to use yours like this. This is already great for the hair, but I'm going to add one other special ingredient that will make this even more amazing. And here it is. This is chebe powder. Chebe powder will really elevate our hair mist. Chebe powder will help reduce hair breakage. It will help strengthen the hair. It will help retain hair length, and it will also help in growing thicker and fuller hair. So right now I'm going to add the chebe powder into the rice and clove water. After adding it in, I'm going to give this a very good mix to make sure that the clove is well seated in the water. After mixing it up well, we're going to cover this up. We're going to cover it up and leave it to sit for about 8 hours or more. I'm going to be leaving mine for about 24 hours because the longer you leave it, the more concentrated your water becomes. And after 24 hours, here is what my rice and clove water with chebe looks like. As you can see, it already looks amazing. Now we're going to open this up and then see what we have inside. Our rice water has really absorbed all the goodness of that chebe powder. Now you can choose to leave yours at this point without straining it, but I would choose to strain mine. If you don't strain it, it's going to leave the chebe shaft on your hair whenever you apply it on your hair. So right now I'm going to strain it so that we can get rid of the shaft of the chebe powder. I'm going to pass it through the strainer and strain. If you like, you can strain more than once to get rid of all the particles. Or if you like, you can strain it just once. But I chose to strain mine a second time because it was not clear enough. So I chose to strain it for a second time. After straining it, your rice, clove, and chebe water is ready. As you can see, it already looks amazing, and this is going to work wonders on your hair. This will help with blood circulation on your scalp. It's going to help with retaining hair length. It will also help in boosting your hair rejuvenation. Now I'm transferring this into a bottle. A spray bottle is best for easy application. A spray bottle will help you spray this into your hair more efficiently. And here is what our hair mist looks like. You can spray this and leave it on for 20 minutes and then wash it off. It will help with regaining your hair length. It will help with hair loss. It will also help with strengthening your hair. And here is the full recipe as promised. You can take a screenshot and replicate it whenever you want to. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you try this out. Please make sure you like this video, drop a comment, ask your questions, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more amazing recipes like this. Turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. Bye bye and see you in my next video.